Hey guys, we're going to have a crack at pulling apart a song. Now, what we really want to get into is a bit of songwriting, but I think to start, you want to see, all right, when I actually do online lessons, what are the things that I'm actually going to pull out of it to use to write my own music? And I must stress that is absolutely key. You really should be writing your own music. That doesn't need to be flash, but you just need to get into it. So look, this song is a brand new one. It's hot off the press. Don't actually really even have a name for it. So we've got a video there that's very much a demo, and then we'll pull it apart in a few little bits to have a look at what lessons actually are relevant to the parts inside it. Have fun.